Hi, welcome to the first videos of Engines in Norfolk Southern. And this is not a plain ripoff of Amtrak Guy 365, our worldwide railfan, as he did the rebuilt version. In this episode, we will be talking about the SD70ACC. Let's do this. In the early 90s, Conrail ordered 24 standard cab SD70s, numbered through 2557 through 2580. These were just like the SD60s, which are now SD60Es. When Conrail was split to CSX and Norfolk Southern acquired the SD70s and the 56 more from EMD from before the Conrail merger. By then, NS owned 80 SD70s, then shipped units 2537 and 2548 to Muncie, Indiana. Then Progress Rail rebuilt the two units into SD70ACC. SD standing for Special Duty, 70 being the model series, and the AC standing for alternating current, and the C standing for conversion. The units were upgraded from 4,000 horsepower to 4,500 horsepower. They got SD70A style cabs, an AAR control stand, PTC, new trucks, automatic engine stock is also equipped. Units can be equipped with gram-wide E-bells and various horns such as K5LAs and P5As. Here are some examples. Units 1800 and 1801 are presented with a yellow bonnet paint scheme. These NS ECCs have DPU, distributed power unit, capabilities. Here is the SD70ACC as a DPU. Well guys, that's going to be it for this Engines of NS. I really hope you enjoyed, and let me know if you want more. Comment down below what engines you would want me to do next. As always, stay safe and God bless.